Hi friends, in this video I will show you how you can reinstall keyboard drivers in Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Search for Troubleshoot settings. Click on Troubleshoot settings to open Troubleshoot window. Here click on Additional Troubleshooter. Scroll down till you see keyboard, click on it and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. This will find and detect all the problem with your keyboard and fix it. Close the troubleshooter. Still facing the problem, then method 2. Right click on Windows icon and then click on device manager. Here expand keyboard. Now right click on your keyboard driver and then click on update. Search automatically for drivers, click on it. I have already installed latest version. If this is still not working, then method 3. Right click on keyboard driver and then click on update. This time search for browse my computer for driver and then click let me pick from the list. Now here select any previous version of keyboard driver and then click on next. Method 4. If you still seen the problem, then just right click on keyboard driver and then click on uninstall. Click on uninstall to uninstall the keyboard driver. After that, restart your PC or computer once. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.